Dear Mr. Li Jingyuan, I extend to you and the Tiens group my warmest greetings from Ethiopia. I'm informed that this year of 2021 is Tiens' 26th anniversary. Happy 26th anniversary of the establishment of the Tiens group. After weathering rain and shine over the past 26 years, Tiens Group's business coverage has spanned across many business areas and expanded into many countries and regions. Congratulations! All those impressive achievements are the crystallization of efforts and dedication of the Tiens leadership, and particularly of Chairman Li Jingyuan, year after year. I've been constantly impressed by Chairman Li's global vision and strategy whenever I talked with him. The sudden outbreak of COVID-19 epidemic in 2020 has caused serious effect and negative impact on the world economy. Nevertheless, Tiens Group has made innovation on its business model and built a new cross-border e-commerce platform, JTMM, just to make more in a very short period of time by referring to the 26 years of global operation experiences and network. What an impressive achievement. Congratulations again. As an old friend of Chairman Li Jingyuan and Tiens Group, I'm proud that Tiens has the courage to face up to difficulties, actively resolve them, and finally achieve such impressive results. I will continue to care and support the development of Tiens in the coming years. Last but not least, happy birthday to Tiens Group. 祝 Tяньши 集团26岁生日快乐。